Did you know that by the time many people reach 80 years old, they've lost up to half of their muscle mass? That means it's not just harder to lift things or walk around. It affects your balance, your energy, and even your independence. In fact, weak muscles are one of the biggest reasons older adults end up in the hospital after a fall. Every year, over 300,000 seniors go to the hospital because of muscle-related falls. But here's the surprising part. It doesn't have to be this way. Researchers now believe that losing muscle isn't just something that happens with age. In fact, some older adults, even people in their 70s, 80s and beyond, have the muscle strength and energy of people decades younger. They climb stairs without holding on. They hike, dance and play sports. Doctors call them superagers. They're living proof that it's possible to stay strong well into your 90s and even past 100 if you follow the right habits. Unfortunately, most people don't know what those habits are. In fact, according to studies from places like Harvard and the Mayo Clinic, nearly all older adults have never even heard of the most important strategies that keep your muscles young. And the sad truth is, a lot of the advice people get from their doctors or see online is outdated or just plain wrong. That's why in this video we're going to share the real secrets, the strategies backed by science that can help you keep your muscles strong, your balance steady, and your body working the way it should, no matter your age. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's get started. First, let's talk about something called controlled stress. That might sound strange, and after all, most of us try to avoid stress, right? But when it comes to your muscles, a little bit of the right kind of stress can actually make you stronger. This idea is called hormesis. It's when small challenges, like brief cold or heat exposure, tell your body to toughen up. Just like a muscle grows after a workout, your cells respond to these small stresses by getting stronger. For example, try ending your shower with 30 seconds of cold water. It's not fun at first, but it gets easier, and it boosts a special type of fat in your body called brown fat. That fat helps keep you warm, but it also makes your metabolism and muscles more efficient. On the other side of the temperature scale, using a sauna several times a week has been shown to protect your muscles. The heat makes your body release proteins that repair muscle tissue. People who use a sauna 4 to 7 times a week for years lose up to 40% less muscle as they age. That's a huge difference. And if you've heard of intermittent fasting, limiting the hours you eat each day, that can also help. Giving your body a break from constant digestion turns on a cleaning process in your cells called autophagy. This helps keep your muscle cells healthy and boosts the function of tiny engines inside them called mitochondria. Even simple exercises where you push or pull against something that doesn't move, like pressing your hands together hard for 10 seconds, can wake up your muscle fibers and tell them to stay strong. These are called isometric contractions, and they're perfect if you want to avoid putting stress on your joints. Now let's talk about food. One of the biggest mistakes older adults make is eating most of their protein at dinner. When we're younger, our muscles are good at using protein, but as we age, they get a little less efficient, something researchers call anabolic resistance. That means if you eat all your protein in one meal, your body can't use it as well. Instead, try spreading it out. Aim for about 25 to 30 grams of protein at each meal. That might mean having eggs or Greek yogurt at breakfast, lean chicken or fish at lunch, and something like tofu or turkey at dinner. Even a protein shake can help if you're not feeling very hungry. Studies show this simple change can increase muscle building by 25% without eating any more food than usual. But you also need to make sure you're getting enough of the right vitamins, especially vitamin D. It's often called the muscle vitamin because it helps control strength, coordination and balance. Over 80% of seniors are low in vitamin D, and that can make you feel weak or unsteady. Ideally, your blood level should be above 40. You can get some vitamin D from sunshine, about 15 to 20 minutes a day around noon. But as we get older, our skin doesn't make it as well. So most people need a supplement, somewhere between 2,000 and 4,000 IU of vitamin D3 each day. You can also eat fatty fish like salmon or take a supplement with K2, which helps make sure calcium goes to your bones, not your arteries. Now, here's something that surprises a lot of people. Low-grade inflammation, the kind you don't feel, can slowly eat away at your muscles. It's called inflammaging, and it's one of the biggest hidden causes of muscle loss in older adults. Luckily, you can fight it naturally. Start with sleep. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day in a dark, quiet room helps. Keep your body's inflammation in check. Poor sleep, on the other hand, can raise inflammation markers by 40%. Next, take care of your gut. Your digestive system is home to trillions of bacteria that affect everything from your mood to your immune system to your muscles. Eating a variety of plant foods like fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole grains helps feed the good bacteria. Try to eat at least 30 different plant foods each week. Add in some fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, or sauerkraut, and your gut will thank you. Exercise also plays a big role. You don't have to go hard every day. In fact, moderate daily. Movement, with 1 or 2 slightly harder sessions each week, is perfect for keeping inflammation low and your muscles strong. And don't forget anti-inflammatory nutrients. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish oil or flaxseed can cut inflammation. So can turmeric, green tea, olive oil, and berries. You can even check your inflammation levels with a simple blood test called HSCRP. Superagers usually have levels under 1.0. While we're talking nutrients, there are a few others that are key for muscle health. Magnesium, for example, is involved in over 300 different reactions in your body. It helps your muscles contract and relax. Many seniors don't get enough, and that can lead to cramping or weakness. You can get magnesium from leafy greens, nuts, seeds, or supplements. Just look for types like magnesium glycinate or threonate. Creatine is another powerhouse. It's a natural substance your body uses for quick energy, especially during movement. Taking just 3 to 5 grams a day can help. You lift more, move faster, and even improve your memory. Yes, it's safe, and yes, even older adults benefit from it. Vitamin B12 is also important. Our ability to absorb B12 drops as we age, especially if we're taking certain medications. That's why a lot of people feel tired or foggy but don't know why. The best form for older adults is methylcobalamin, which your body can use more easily. Other helpful minerals include zinc, selenium, and chromium. They all help your body build protein and use energy. Instead of taking a random multivitamin, ask your doctor about testing to see what you're really missing. One thing people don't often think about is the connection between your nerves and your muscles. Muscles can't move unless your nerves send them signals. But just like muscles, those connections can get weaker with age. To keep them strong, try activities that challenge your coordination. Things like dancing, tai chi, or even ping pong. These aren't just fun. They keep your brain and body talking to each other. Certain nutrients can help too. Alpha-lipoic acid, acetyl L-carnitine, and a form of vitamin B1 called benfotiamine all help protect those nerve-muscle links. Even breathing exercises help. Try box breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4, and repeat. Doing this just 5 minutes a day can improve how your brain activates your muscles by up to 15%. Lastly, don't forget about mental workouts. Crossword puzzles, card games, and memory apps strengthen the same brain pathways that help with muscle movement. Now, if you only remember one thing from this video, let it be this: lift something heavy, safely and regularly. It doesn't matter if it's a dumbbell, a resistance band, or your own body weight. Your muscles need to be challenged to grow. Start with movements that use lots of muscles at once, things like squats, rows, or presses, and don't be afraid to slowly increase the weight or difficulty over time. That's how muscles grow. Lifting slowly, especially the lowering part of a movement, is also really helpful. It puts more healthy stress on the muscles without hurting your joints. Research shows that just 12 weeks of strength training can increase strength by 35% and add over 3 pounds of muscle in older adults. It also improves balance, bone strength, memory, and even blood sugar control. So, which of these habits are you going to try first? Maybe it's a protein-rich breakfast. Maybe it's a short cold shower. Maybe it's lifting soup cans while watching TV. Whatever it is, just start. Because the secret to staying strong isn't luck. It's action. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share it with someone you care about. Here's to feeling strong, staying steady, and living fully, no matter your age.